In front of me is Realme C51 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now, after selecting Theme section, scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And last but not least, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, just go back to the same settings and tap on the plus icon under My Themes. Now just click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!